Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Today is the last trading day of the week, Blessing Friday. We had a bank holiday in the UK, but we had amazing trade at the New York session, and most of my traders from different part of the world managed amazing profit this afternoon. Let me share with you guys how I analyze and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit, especially at the New York session. And if you want to watch those analyses in real time instead of review, so feel free to join my fast growing trading community. More information is available at the video description. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you how I did today. All right, so if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD chart, and if you look at the 4-hour, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful long. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So technically we were expecting a short trade here at this from this level, which we had this because in the morning we were expecting a short trade here, so we did this analysis, and if the price gonna break long here. So technically if you look at right now in 4-hour, we can see here sort of like head and shoulder pattern is developed. So we'll see in upcoming days if the price gonna continue or not, but technically I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. You can see here this breakout, price respected previously. So if the price gonna break in upcoming days, next week, then we are expecting a huge drop. We'll see how that's gonna go, but there's still possibility price might gonna break this level. But if the price gonna break this low, then we will consider this a head and shoulder pattern and expecting a short trade here. As I said to you guys, we are intraday trader. We also take a short and long within this structure, but this is what we are looking at the bigger picture in upcoming days. So we'll see how that's gonna go. Let me share with you how I analyze today and help squeeze amazing profit. If you look at this morning, we had this analysis. That's what I explained to my trader, because our first priority was to look for short trade here, and that's what I explained. But I said to my trader, look for the pullback at around this level. That's the first priority, and that was the fib channel. Looking here, pullback long here, and the safest trade if the price gonna break this fib channel, which we previous high. That's what we explained to my trader. And as soon as the price develop a double top here, and we haven't seen any pullback, but as mentioned here in the analysis, once we haven't seen any pullback, price broken and retest, that's what I explained to my trader. Now it's time to short, because we was thinking to take a short trade here at the based on the 4-hour. So we had this beautiful short trade here, and afterward, as always, once we bank some profit and we announce another and pull back through live audio commentary. So guys, it's not just about just broadcasting analysis. Once we broadcast the analysis, then we watch those analyses alongside with my traders, and then I keep up to date with my traders, just safest way to take entries. So we had a beautiful short trade here, and afterwards at the New York session, as you can see, once we bank some profit of the news release, and that's what we communicate with the traders. I say, guys, there's a still possibility if the price develop a inverted head and shoulder pattern. So technically we're looking this breakout. So we had this counter long trade here, momentum was bullish. We have taken this one, which we came out at the break even. As you can see here, we had this price nicely respected here on the analysis. That's what we were looking here. So price develop another counter opportunity, which price nicely came back here. And then again, as I said to you guys, we don't just produce analysis. I also keep an eye and explain to my trader, look, price came back to same zone. So we're expecting if the price gonna respect this one, then long, otherwise short trade here. But if you look at here, based on that, price broken and retest this level in 4-hour, and that's what happened, price broken, and that's what I explained to my trader. Now we should be keep taking a breakout and keep taking a pullback. So you can see here, guys, how we update the market instantly, because we're watching that real time, and we produce that updates of the market situation in real time through live audio commentary and through live analysis. Now we're expecting another pullback. We'll see, guys, but we are done for today. Pound dollar, we had a beautiful trade here, guys. We can see here, if you look at the 4-hour, yesterday we had this beautiful long trade here. Today we were expecting, as you can see here, the price nicely respected, and that's what I explained to my trader. If the price gonna break this level, then we're expecting a short, and if the price gonna respect, then long here. So bank holiday in the morning, so we were expecting some moves at the New York session. So you can see here we have this price nicely broken. We had a short trade here. We also tried a counter, but which came out break even, and we have taken another short trade here. Let me share with you guys. And if you look at here, sort of like I can see the sign of short on the Euro USD and pound dollar. Look at here, we looks like the price developing it head and shoulder pattern, and if the price gonna break this level, so we're expecting this one breakout, and if the price gonna break, then I'm expecting a huge short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding short trade here. We'll see how that's gonna go, but if you look at the bigger picture, we still can see here sort of like a symmetric triangle pattern is developed. So upcoming days we'll see how that's gonna go, but now we had a beautiful trades. Let me share with you all the intraday analysis I did. As you can see here this morning, this is the analysis I did because the price developed a sideways market because of the bank holiday in the UK. We have this breakout just before the news, and afterward beautiful another pullback, beautiful, and you can see here price nicely hit to the profit target, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards price reverse. And as soon as the price reverse again, as I said to you, because I watch in market with the live and explain, if the price gonna break this level, then we expecting a pullback, otherwise counter at this level. So you can see here price respected, did not break this level as mentioned in the analysis, and through live audio commentary we have this long trade here, and which technically came out of the break even. As you can see here, price reverse. So we were expecting if the price gonna respect, then possibility of short here. As you can see, as soon as the price reverse, I said to guys, it just came out, we came out with a break even, because as you can see, as long as the price went to the 20 pips in profit, explained to my trader it's time to consider tightening your stop loss. Price reverse again, back to that situation, and I can see our bias was developed short on the pound dollar. As soon as the price broken, as you can see here, price broken and retest. That's what I explained to my trader is, you can add another scaling trade here. Reason why, because you can see here price develop head and shoulder pattern. That was the beautiful, and price broken this level, beautiful short trade here. As you can see here in 4 hour, we have seen some sort of rejection. That was the rejection in intraday, and give us the significant pattern, which basically give us the information to look for the short opportunity. That was a beautiful trade, and most of the traders really enjoyed it, and some of the traders still holding short from here. And let's see, are they expecting a breakout? We'll see in the upcoming days if the price is going to break, but we manage amazing profit on pound dollar. Dollar CAD was struggling this, but now most of the traders, they are taking a long trade here. Let me explain to you in 4 hour. We had this short trade here yesterday, and as you can see here, price nicely respected here. So we can see, if you look at here, we have early sign develop, which is a falling wedge. That's a sign of reversal. So we were expecting this, we have this breakout, and beautiful, and some of the traders are still holding long on pound dollar. And let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. That was the only analysis, because yesterday we had a short trade here. So at the Asian session, I also mentioned look for another pullback. So you can see we have another small pullback, and afterwards we're waiting for the news, and we're waiting less the news release. As you can see here, price repeatedly respected here many times, and as I said to you guys, look for this breakouts. As you can see here, price broken, momentum was bullish, and I said to you guys, just now keep taking a pullbacks. So let's see here, most of the traders still holding it with the break even, and you can see here price another develop another pullbacks. Let's see if the price gonna looking this level, and if the price gonna break, then the target would be this level, and afterwards that's what we're expecting it's in upcoming days. So we'll see how that's gonna go, guys. But you can see we managed another beautiful trade. We had it, that was the Aussie dollar Kiwi dollar. That was a beautiful trade this morning. And if you look at the 4 hour chart, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful long trade here. So we were expecting some sort of like a reversal at this level. At the Asian session, you can see here some sort of rejection. We have another bearish engulfing candle. That's the sign of reversal. We have taken a short trade here. Most of the traders still holding short trade, and we are expecting a huge drop on this one. We'll see how that's gonna go, but let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a beautiful trade this morning, guys. And if you look at this morning, we had this is the London Open. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this level. If the price gonna break, then long here, otherwise break, short trade here. You can see here price even broken after the breakout, price retest. We have confirmation of head and shoulder pattern in intraday. That's the good sign. We were expecting a huge drop, and if trade my trader keep taking a pullbacks. As you can see here, we have such a short, beautiful short trade here. And I also updated that analysis at the New York session. You can see here we had a beautiful breakout, same because I keep updating those analysis to help my traders not to miss the opportunity and maximize the trades. As you can see, we have another beautiful short trade here, and once the price was at this level, I also updated this analysis like that, just to make sure guys don't miss this opportunity. As you can see here, price nicely broken again, beautiful short trade here. Even you can see here we have another beautiful pullback short is performing. All right guys, as you know how I analyze the market in 4 hour, how I analyze the entries and exit, and define all this analysis in real time, and helping my traders with the live market every single day. So I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market in real time. And once you develop your trading skill, and if you produce consistency result, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train every day with the live market in real time through live intraday analysis, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So places are very limited. So most welcome guys, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.